Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, but you know, I like to film these videos when I feel like it and I try not to force it. Today I'm taking you along to go to Moulin Rouge with my family and it's gonna be so fun. I'm so excited. I love the theater. But yeah, we're getting ready. I'm wearing this dress from Reformation and I'm about to do my makeup. So let's do that and hang out. So I just put on this primer right here, the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I put it on right here, and then for my eyebrows. And next I'm going to take my Big Ego by Tarte and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. And then I put my clips back in. But oh yeah, I got this new shade of lipstick the other day. Super red, but I'm not gonna use it tonight, but I'm excited. I wanted a red shade because my other one is just like nude. You'll see it later when I put it on. Okay, now I'm gonna use my makeup palette. I'm gonna go in with like this color for the wing and this one for like just kind of smudging it. So you'll see how I do that. Oh, and then I think I'll use this color on the inner eye. Yeah, beauty guru. I'm gonna set this with my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Mist. Ooh. Okay, last couple parts is I'm going to brush my eyebrows with some whatever brow gel and then do my mascara. I'll just show you. I'm not gonna talk about it. And yeah, and then I'll put on some jewelry and fix my hair. Okay, I fixed my hair. If you can see, I over curled it a little bit so that when it falls, it's just, you know, like natural. So it'll be like that by the time we get to the play. But I wanted to put on some jewelry and share with you guys this company that I recently found. The shop is called Be Kind Shop and they sell like jewelry but like with a twist, like bee themed jewelry. And every piece that you buy, they contribute money to saving the bees and helping them build safe colonies. A personal statement of mine is to save the bees, and I did donate it when I was selling art during COVID, so it is a thing that is near and dear to my heart. I love bees. They're one of my favorite animals. They also sent me the cutest little stickers. I gave some to my mom and sister, but these are the two I kept. It is super cute, so thank you to them. So let's get into what jewelry we're gonna put on. They sent me this cute little necklace with a bee. Oh my goodness. It is just the cutest thing. Also, all their packaging is like recyclable, so that's also nice. I love that. We don't need all the plastic that we use. Oh, this is a bracelet. It's not a necklace, it's a bracelet. Mabby. I'm gonna have to ask my mom to put this one on. The next is this ring. Oh my god, it is the cutest ring ever. I love the little bee on it. And it like, when you put it on, it looks like honey drips. Look at that. Oh my god. Obsessed. And then, of course, I'm gonna put in the earrings. I'm gonna replace my little, yeah, those ones. And they got a bee one. They got a crystal one. And this like cuff, the bee goes with the cuff, so like the cuff goes on. Let me show you. I'll put it on. Okay, this is what the earring would look like if I had it on. I think I'm gonna keep the hoops in, but look at the bracelet, super cute. And the ring, of course. And I'm gonna put my other jewelry on with this, but if you want to get 20% off, use code Lexi20 and their portions will be donated to Saving the Bees. So make sure you check them out. They got super cute jewelry. Okay, let's get on. My mom wants us to go. This is my full fit. Woo. Let's get going. Hashtag drink gal. Let's get the bill per. We're on the landslide, bring it down. Oh, we're going into the theater. I'm gonna film the rest on my phone. And yeah, is everyone excited? Whoa. Ever since I missed. Now we're going in here. Yeah. So that was like honestly one of the best plays I've seen, and I've seen a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to go check out Be Kind for these bee jewelry, and make sure to use my code Lexi20 for some percentage off. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.